Hi there, I will show you how easy it can be to enroll to Futurae. First, you will need to download the Futurae app. You can find it on the App Store or the Google Play Store. When you first open the Futurae app on your smartphone, you will be prompted to allow it access to the microphone and camera. All you have to do is just scan the QR code presented on your browser screen with the Futurae app. Make sure that you only approve when it's currently you logging in. Otherwise, reject the login. And that's it. Camera access is required for scanning the QR code, while the microphone is used for a convenient zero-touch authentication method. Please note that we do not store any audio samples whatsoever. Push notifications are important for our one-touch approach to work properly. That's it! You can now use two-factor authentication with the Futurae app on your smartphone.